In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your Google Slides presentation effortlessly. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting or wanting to create a tutorial, capturing your presentation is a helpful way to share your slides and commentary with others. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you set up. First things first, you need to head over to Google Slides, open your favorite web browser and enter the link to Google Slides or simply search for it. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. If you haven't got an account, creating one is quick and easy. Having a Google account is essential here as it gives you access to all the functionalities we'll be using shortly. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage where you can see all your existing presentations. If you're starting a fresh presentation, you can click on blank presentation. Alternatively, if you have a particular style in mind, feel free to explore the assortment of templates available. This selection allows you to choose a layout that complements the tone and content of your presentation, ensuring it looks professional and visually appealing. The next step involves using an extension called Screencastify. You'll need to make sure this extension is installed on your browser. If it's not, head over to your browser's extension store and add Screencastify. This handy tool is fantastic for recording not just your screen but also your narration, combining both into one seamless video. Once Screencastify is installed and ready to go, navigate back to your Google Slides page. You'll want to focus on the presentation you're intending to record. Along the top of your screen, you should see the Screencastify icon. Give it a click to open the extension settings. This is where you can choose to record your entire screen, just a specific window, or even a browser tab. Make sure your microphone is enabled so that your voice is recorded as you speak through each slide. With everything in place, it's time to click on Record. Take a deep breath and remember you can pause or stop the recording at any time if needed. As your slides progress, narrate clearly, providing insights and additional context to enhance your audience's understanding. When you're finished, simply stop the recording. Screencastify will process your video, making it easy to save, share or edit as needed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to record your Google Slides presentation. This method not only allows you to capture your presentation visually, but also layers in your voice, turning a simple slide deck into a rich, engaging narrative. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.